Right, cool, nice one. So anyway, we also had somebody ask earlier on to take a look at TELCOIN. I'm going to just really quickly do that over here, and as we can see on this one, the story from before has remained the case. Okay, that enthusiasm that existed at the time on the markets has just really not really expanded out the way. This would be a really good use case, one for anybody who's looking to try and get into looking at the Ichimoku cloud, to drop this on here and see how it all lines up with everything, because this is, you know, a great looking example. As you can see, just as I dropped it in there, exactly that, giving you all of that idea. So if we zoom right on in the way and hide everything else for us, then at the minute on this one, and just simply take a look at it from in terms of where we are right here right now, then by the way, when I say right here right now, that's not my actual accent, that's me kind of taking the mickey. Over at 33, groovy, that's where you want to see that staying above natural mo. We have that not happened yet. Oh, that's great, cool. So just in terms of this one, if we see further downside currently at the minute, in terms of just maybe perhaps coming back down towards the 33 area from 34, that wouldn't surprise me at all. But we are actually right here in the midst of looking at what could be, if you want to see here, the baseline and the conversion line having a potential cross. Let me just make this one green so that there's no confusion between the two. Make it big as well, so we can see here the green line is below the purple line, right? Maybe that's still confusing to folk. This is a 12-hour time frame. The green one's below the purple one. If over the period of the next 12 to 24 hours we see this cross towards the top side, then that would be a nice move for us, okay? And where we could be looking to in terms of the next targets thereafter really depends on where the price action really is at the time of all that happening. And indeed, if you just take it from where we are now, then I would say I would be looking at taking profit perhaps at 38 on this one, really, which is obviously a huge move up from where we are, so that's pretty decent overall. And then I will look up towards other targets up the way. I have still got 54 in mind as the target towards the top side. That's not changed since the other day when I did a video on this coin. And then what am I looking at? Yeah, that's actually it. If we do drop down below 30, I'd say that there's a short-term opportunity for a more than 10% move. I'd say there's a short-term opportunity perhaps for a 20% move if we break down past 35. Okay, that's TELCOIN for you, ladies and gents. TELCOIN and TELCOIN the same thing? Yeah, they're the same.